Hey friends, so I just bought something for some of my summer travels. I got Aqua barefoot shoes. They're super cool. Look at these. They're like water shoes, but super lightweight. I got them at yeswevibe.com. Yes We Vibe is a company that strives to spread peace, love, harmony, and good vibes all over the world. So do I. These Aqua barefoot shoes, which is how you would search them on the website, are super lightweight. This spandex up here is really breathable, and I'm in love with this pattern. You can find this one if you search love. It says peace and love with some peace signs and happy faces. It's just so happy. They also have a great bottom sole that are anti-slip, thank goodness. They do have an elastic waist that goes around your ankle for a really good and snug fit. It's perfect for going diving, boating, walking on the beach, sailing down a river, tubing, skiing. I mean, I can like think of a million ways that you can use these water shoes. So if you're going anywhere near water this summer, you guys need to get some of these Aqua barefoot shoes at yeswevibe.com.